Did you guys know Trusted Signals' new website is officially live? You only have 24 hours to lock in this discount code and receive 50% off to the lifetime membership, which includes the bot access for the Gold 1.0, which is passive income for lifetime members. This premium membership includes over 9 indicators and 20 plus tools, which are designed to help you craft and perfect your own trading strategy. You don't want to miss out. This will be the last time you will see this discount. And after that, that's it. No more lifetime membership discount. This will be the best time and the best price you will ever see for the lifetime membership with Trusted Signals. And might as well get yourself a free trial for 3 days. If you've been losing trades and blowing accounts, you need Trusted Signals. If you're lucky enough to be watching this right now, the lifetime membership is still 50% off. We have so much planned for our VIP members. Daily seminars, academy, live sessions, one-on-ones, many new indicators, strategy guides, quizzes, partnerships, account giveaways, Android and iOS community app. If you join our lifetime access, you will secure your spot to the Trusted Signals Gold Robot Auto Trade Program. I can't say too much, but we have a lot of things planned for the lifetime members. So hurry up now while you have the chance. Everything you need to sharpen your sword with trading, which makes trading 100 times easier. So hurry up now, go to the website, go to Trusted Signals now, and press unlock now. Trusted Signals, let's go!